Karbi Anglong along Ongdung Ingnam along Ador Kedo Aharmu Aron Re Kai Kemat Kepon Kanghu District level Kisan Mela Kolonga Patua Klamalong Kepadopon Dilai Karsa Ropen Cipadir Pi Ponsi Hemprek Aparman Langmoku Alangsun Along Inglong Kiri Arna Mapan Ketok Kijirdan Kardom ada berita long pen libertad han bang thare harmony pen bertang tan pen arjik thang Police station la pen ingnam raikong asakia tum donak dilai la pen HDP hawar pen ongdung ingnam along ador kedo ahar mukai kiamat kepon kang hupon lok ta chichar dunde ason busi jerok to arar tum pen thang thang ni phai ingko na truck arni kat news along berita nang pale Ajowang matheng pikang hu koila ke phur arlong sangti aron repen keroi pon lok ta lang dunding amat rada tum ke kelang karjulong la pen kethek dun long anda therek mesen Perang ke pen kahuri dam hut ke thek dam long dilai koila lang so long ajowang amat koila ke phur pen karbing long pen angtan ke pon ke phur adima long an ke pale inunat ta thek dam long lela pen iuma truck koila pleng set nep dam long sida truck ka tewar abang adima long awe halabang so hawar arar phan karju dam pen nanga thak dun ke Anil Gupta pu inura mudet si kesan pon pusi pachini moiso killing along forest check get do pusi dami TV chalan inthanti si aron repen sangti kepon lason thak thak si gramsa pathar borjan hawar kimi tichomaro lapen longnit pen kewana sangti TV chalan ke hangdun nangji alar tangka si rungrong pota inu traka tewar abang samsing tok bipen ningje aron repen koila sangti harlong lapen thengpi kepon kanghuatu Tangka Kipinang Langmini Forest West Division along Sikap Haroisi Tichom along Sikap Haroisi Longnit Forest along Sikap Harohini Manja Forest along Sikap Harohini Manja Police Atum Apan Sikap Haroisi Dilai Forest is along Sikap Haroisi Dilai Thana along Sikap Haroisi 10 miles along Forest is west along Sikap Haropli Kadoka Bipen Tangka Kipinang Sika Suri Sira, Paro Pli and Pusi Pachini. Westcar Bangalore, Kolonga Patua Klamalong, 2019 Aninkan Apartment, Krisi Vigyan Kendra, Assam Agriculture University Dipupen, Tang Tang Nipa Inkora Trok Arni, District Level Kisan Mela, Kepadopon Aberta Perankipen Birta Nangpale. District Level Kisan Mela, Kepadopon along Ali Aman Pen, Dr. Asuk Chakra, Prosenta Kumar Pathak, Additional Agriculture Officer Ram Singh Hanse. Superintendent of Sericulture Francis Timung Lapen Penan ke theke dingatum chetong dun si RD Pidun kachetong dun aluya tumpen mayalong lam theke jai pon ki karbianglong adang sajuti ki arat lapen worenga war sai kaviden atum apal ko son pen si kaching thu dun thekji ma puhai hoi mayalong jai pon kisan mela long juti ki hormu ason lapen mira rong thesera rong pen chenglong prekja ma hormu ador keso ajok juti ki arat atum Chonamdun Tekthida Lopusi Perangkyangnu Pachini.
Actually, this is organized from central government, and this channel gives the farmers in various ways because including not only the lectures from the this one specialized person, but also from this one exhibition you will find the various type of implements, machineries which related to the modern agriculture, because the Christians, the farmers are actually some
নাই কাউন্সিলৰ লগতে কোলাবৰেচন আছে আচ্ছা এইটো বস্তুবিলাক আনিছে কিমান মান দাম কি দাম
আমি তাতে
উপস্থিত সমূহ ৰাইজক নমস্কাৰ জনাইছো
গ্লছা বাংকে
আজি
200 কেজি
কিষাণ মেলা আৰু কৃষি প্ৰদৰ্শনী কাৰ্যসূচী আৰম্ভ কৰিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছো
কেজি
লাগে ষ্টাফ সমূহ ৰাইজক
বনাই পঠায়
আসন গ্ৰহণ কৰিবৰ কাৰণে অনুৰোধ কৰিছো
তে হানসো কান্দৰ ৰাবিয়ে
হানসু বাং 80 টকা
তথা
লাসু বাং 60
প্ৰদৰ্শনী
তে হে না বাংকে
উদ্বোধন কৰিবলৈ আগবাঢ়িছো সেই সমূহ কৃষক ৰাইজ তথা
আমি আদু থামি জেগে কান্দৰ চাপি পাম লইলিন বে ইনা দৰকে
আমি আদুকে ইংলিশ ফারুইনি
kolonga lo nang kopi phansi dake bang ho.
Ye kami klaim munikina masih nopak bahai ador pun long bisa di long si.
Kodali no pak lahai ke kami klaim phandi. Kona pensinan ke bang.
Kar di long si pini bolon teh.
Tang tin nang da pang so pini kisan mila kapadu kuna long. Nang liason kodali no pak yo the kolong.
Tek ponong le, mukuen ri dat kiceng pen tulang pun lah jawab kelang pun papang dat tek long le.
Abida di. Peda pen da abis non selong di. Te ong dung atumi ko peni peda pen ke jor abi igdial lo pasong thandom.
Non nili ke dam hutke hala kadu ya bosu da jor long le busina pu.
Peda pen da abi.
Jor long le.
Kote kodali no pak nang pe da kisan milan long hembe ning ke theke do si kinna man ke bang kedi.
La
sami long long peda lo ka.
long mon pe.
Tang tin nang tum department na phan nang ya di ko.
Hari lang hok kan nong jala meeting do lang ya lang ko masih dudun kok mulai ya ta meeting nong hari dudun ko masih hai
agriculture
agriculture
আচ্ছা এই লিচু ফুলি আৰু এই নেমু ফুলিবিলাকৰ দাম কিমান
100 টকা আছে 150 টকা আছে এনেকুৱা
লিচু ফুল দাম তো এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট হ'লেতো অলপ কম হ'ব লাগে
কমাই দিছে তো গাড়ী ভাড়া খৰচা আছে এইটো কাৰণে অলপ এইফালে আনোতে বাৰু কাটনি কৰিছে হাজিৰা মানুহ আছে
তেতিয়াহ'লে এই এগ্ৰিকালচাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ লগত জড়িত নাই
জড়িত আছে তো অলপ কমাই দিছোঁ ভাড়া আমাৰ অলপ 20 টকা বেছি লৈছোঁ
20 টকা বেছি লৈছে তো আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ৰাইজটো আপোনালোকে জানে মোষ্টলি মানে BPL ফেমিলিজ হয় ইমান দাম হ'লেতো এফৰ্ড কৰিব নোৱাৰিব
কি গম পাইছোঁ তো মইতো
Dilai karsa aropen jibatir pi pon si thang ni phai engkora pho arni adap por final ke ba por pen hemprek a pharman langmuku alang sunalong inglong kiri arna ma phan ke thok kijir la pen hirju me ke hang dam abirta ka news nang birta nang pale Dilai pen kilometer krep hoso se kahelu langmuku alang sungalongan akeng pen dam si pale dam haladak kele pen langroi para ke kap jia phan banta ke pipadu langmuku alang sunan pale si hempi anjali tisopi pen ajok Inglong kiri arna maphan thesere thekumbong karbia joy poho lapen karbia no pakpen thok damlu labangso sayalong karsa CEC assistant secretary Rani Timungpi vice president Jangsik Timungpi publicity secretary Nali Hansepi ex VDC chairman Budumi ITP lapen radatum bangthong kepsose chetodun Non malam support beritamu tanpa iksinan.
This is the electronic voting machine, the EVM, which the Election Commission uses for conduct of elections to the state assemblies and the parliament in the country. EVM basically consists of two parts. This is the control unit, the CU, and this is the ballot unit, this is the BU. Now, what happens is the ballot unit is kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment so that we have secrecy of vote here in the country. So along with this, along with the EVM, now we have the VVPAT, that is the voter verifiable paper audit trail, which is a new entrant on the election framework. Now basically the ballot unit contains the ballot paper which has the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate. Now in this case it's a dummy ballot paper which is used only for training and awareness purposes. As you can see, AAA, BBC and also the dummy symbols are there. Next to the ballot, the candidate's name is a button. Now the easiest part of the EVM is that the voter has to just press the blue button in front of the candidate of his choice and the vote gets recorded. Now this control unit is at the polling station, or these are kept together here just for demonstration purpose, but in the polling station this control unit is kept with the presiding officer and these two units are kept in the voting compartment. This is the voting compartment, so that whenever the voter casts his vote, he can cast it in absolute secrecy and nobody sees what is happening. Now what happens is, once the machines are set in the polling station, in the beginning we do a mock poll, as you already know, in the presence of the polling agents. So 50 votes are cast in the machine, and after that the votes are counted through the control unit, and also the slips are taken out from the VVPAT and they are tallied, just to make sure and ensure all the participants that the machine is functioning absolutely accurately and there is nothing amiss here. Now how the vote is released, basically the presiding officer, what he does is he just has to press the ballot button here. Now the minute he presses the ballot button, a red light glows on the control unit, which shows that the machine is now in readiness. The minute the red light glows here, there is a green light, the ready light, which is there on the ballot unit. This is the ready light. This light shows that now this ballot unit can accept the signal for the particular vote to be cast. Now the voter, what he has to do is, suppose he chooses candidate number 4. He just presses this blue button. The minute he presses this, a red light glows here, and along with it, simultaneously, we have the slip which gets printed in the VVPAT, and it is visible through this transparent window for 7 seconds. And simultaneously, there is this beep sound which says that the vote has been recorded successfully in the control unit, and the slip falls into the ballot slips compartment here, which on the poll day is completely sealed and not accessible to anybody.
Okay.
So this is the process in which a vote is cast.
Yeah.
So basically what the VVPAT does is it allows the voter to verify the vote that he has cast in the favor of the candidate of his choice.
Yeah.
Now I'll take out the slip and show you how the slip looks like. This was the slip which was just printed. So as you can see, it has the name, the serial number and the symbol. So these slips can be counted to verify the electronic result which is stored here, but that can be done under certain circumstances only. So one of those circumstances is that in case somebody, the candidate or his agent, requests a returning officer under section 56T for a recount, the commission has also mandated a mandatory verification of one polling station for every constituency to do a verification of the slip count with the electronic count which is there in the CU. Plus, of course, if somebody goes in the election petition, so on the orders of the Honorable Court, the slips can always be taken out and the count verified with the control unit. So this is basically the architecture of the EVMs and the VVPATs here.
And this entire setup is not possible anywhere, because all the time allegations are made that you can get it from anywhere, and this is hacked, this can be hacked and this can be tampered with.
The EVMs which are used by the commission are completely standalone, non-networked, non-tamperable, robust and integrity, machines with integrity and credibility. There are two pillars on which this entire framework stands. One is the technological safeguards which are there in the design and technological features of the CU, BU and the VVPATs. The other is the detailed administrative protocols, security framework and procedural guidelines that we have installed around the EVM ecosystem, which prevents any unauthorized access to these machines by any unauthorized person. So these machines remain under the control and custody of the election officials at all times. So it's impossible to take these machines, do any kind of mischief and bring them back into the EVM ecosystem. That's just not possible.
Right.
Uff, ini siksa kelapa ni lah so cupen cerap leka cerap. Pipot lo nanya nak cusir ham tamle ini su. Ini siksa kelapa ni lah so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok tahun elo. Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan mati. Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita. Madhari.
No alam tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma konat lo lake.
Di foi ti arlo Iron Bridge adum rong supia long ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo tu kapamata dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo ke chengsi sopin so la pesor lo phat kapamata dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada hair straightening 40% off along hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off. Hey hui long ponikji. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor.
Lasinang itong kapadar ipin pinahumrig mo.
Aturkimi Academy Jifu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamu piputat bertalong wang tulung. Karbiang long angkang atok anu along cingthu et nang jilapen rongaratum kedam kebang aphan joy ke joy wanang ji pumatha damsi BJP sarkar pen penana dimalong kaching thura sai deng ponlo
Sitami dena ronga hawar match para kacharia rongalong towar piponlo bon sitami contractor ame thanga liaphan kachimatha chota jok ani siamat sai claim si patang detlo ki claim sai ki oi thektika jok chithar eto pusi rongara da tumpen chuning didun lasila puson na sai ki claim atuma phan sotak pen insai nang jiputa rongara da tum ningjerinti
ara berda bang na pasikang ton poniglo dome thangme kurgang thu